friends, today I'm going to tell you about SSD, but before this please like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. What is SSD, why we use SSD and how we operate SSD? Today I'm going to answer you all these questions. SSD basically allows the communication between the tubing and the annulus. It is used for well killing operation. It is used for the circulation between the tubing and annulus. It is used for get the production from multiple zones. Sometimes there are 2 or 3 zones, so we have to use the SSD to get the production from different zones on different time. Why we use sliding sleeve door? We use sliding sleeve door to get the communication with the zones, to take the production from one zone and to stop the production from another zone, because we can't take the production at one time from 2 zones because of the differential in the pressure. So we take the production from one zone and we open the pores of the SSD, and we shut off the production from another zone. We close the pores of the SSD. How we operate SSD? We operate it by the help of a B shifting tool. This is a shifting tool which is operated by the slick line unit, slick line equipment, and this same tool we use for the opening of the SSD holes and also for the closing of the SSD holes. When we are going to open, we will use in the one direction, and when we are going to close it, we will opposite the direction of this B shifting tool and use it again to close the pores of the SSD. As you see that this is the sliding sleeve door, and these are the pores of the SSD which we are going to open or close. Once the SSD is run inside the hole, then we use the B shifting tool by using slick line to open the holes of SSD. Once the shifting tool engages into the profile of the sliding sleeve, the slick line string jars down until it reaches to the equalizing positions. Once the pressure has been equalized, the B shifting tool jars down until it reaches to open position. The shifting tool is then released and pulled back to surface. To close the SSD, we use the same B shifting tool, but this time upside down. The shifting tool is allowed to pass through the sliding sleeve and then pull back up to engage the shifting profile. Once engaged, the slick line string is jar up and shifting the insert to close the position. Finally, the shifting tool is released and returned to surface. Hope this video clear your concept about SSD. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for subscribing.